Adobe Lightroom versus Photomator. Which photo editor should you use? Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without getting overwhelmed by complex features. Both offer powerful tools but differ in approach and usability. Adobe Lightroom and Photomator are two popular photo editing apps. Lightroom is a professional-grade tool with extensive controls, while Photomator focuses on simplicity and AI-powered enhancements. The core difference lies in Lightroom's depth versus Photomator's ease of use. Adobe Lightroom is a comprehensive photo editor designed for photographers and creatives who want precise control over their images. It works by offering advanced tools such as raw editing, selective adjustments, and powerful color grading. Lightroom uses a non-destructive workflow, meaning your original photos remain untouched while edits are stored separately. Its strengths include seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, robust organizational features like tagging and rating, and support for desktop and mobile devices. However, Lightroom's complexity can be intimidating for beginners, and it requires a subscription to access full features. Ideal users are professionals or serious hobbyists who need detailed control and cloud syncing across devices, making it perfect for managing large photo libraries and producing high-quality edits consistently. Photomator is a user-friendly photo editor that combines simplicity with AI-powered enhancements. It works by automating many editing tasks such as color correction, noise reduction, and portrait retouching, making it accessible for casual users or those new to photo editing. Photomator supports non-destructive editing and offers essential tools like cropping, filters, and exposure adjustments in a clean interface. Its AI features can quickly improve photos without requiring in-depth manual adjustments. While it lacks the extensive professional tools found in Lightroom, Photomator excels in speed and ease of use. It is best suited for users who want quick, effective edits without a steep learning curve. Photomator is ideal for casual photographers, social media creators, and anyone looking for a straightforward editing experience with intelligent automation. Comparing Lightroom and Photomator highlights a balance between power and simplicity. Lightroom shines in professional workflows, offering granular control over every aspect of an image, perfect for detailed retouching and organizing large photo collections. However, it requires time to learn and a subscription model. Photomator, on the other hand, prioritizes fast, AI-driven edits with a minimalist interface, ideal for quick enhancements and casual use. The trade-off is fewer advanced features and less control over fine details. For example, a professional photographer editing raw files for prints will benefit from Lightroom's depth, while a social media user wanting polished photos fast will prefer Photomator's ease. Both support non-destructive editing, but your choice depends on whether you value extensive control or streamlined simplicity. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you need professional-grade editing, detailed control, and cloud syncing for managing extensive photo libraries across devices. Photomator is the best pick for those seeking fast, AI-powered photo enhancements without complexity. It's perfect for casual users and content creators who want quality results quickly. Ultimately, your choice depends on your editing needs and workflow preferences.